Okay, so previously we did a project that can not only just enter the focus state, but also you can like swipe and click and hold to like rename. Okay, so basically you're going to click this and it will automatically go into the focus state, and then you can change whatever you want to input. But there is one problem lacking, is that you want to exit the focus state. Say you are finished changing all that and you want to get rid of this focus state. Normally you would tap anywhere else. Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So previously you can't achieve something like this. Right now you can, right? And I even got just for you guys to see more clearly, if you click, you got like a tab. Okay, so you just got a print tab out. So without further ado, let's get to it. I already write pretty much all the code, and I add all these comments here. So basically like a simple version of my previous thing. And the reason for doing this simple version, rewrite it, just to want you guys to see how simple it is. Really simple. You just need to add a Z stack. So at the background, you got a color. I just changed the opacity. Previously, I got this like a red, something just more outstanding. Don't do the gray from the very start because it will become really hard for you to debug. So I normally would do something like drastic, okay, like a red, and not like a subtle opacity, so you guys can actually see like a really red background. And then we got this shape. Basically I'm going to like roll all this and cover most of the real estate of your film. And yeah, and on tap gesture will be triggered. If you tap it, you're going to print tab, right? You got like a reddish thing. You print tab and you're going to exit focus state by changing this binding is focus to false. Okay, so it's a false. And if you click here, it should be true, right? You click it, it'll be true, and it's already focus state. You don't need to print it out. Of course, if you have to make it more obvious, you can say rename action true, and then you can say print something like that, enter the focus state, something like that. Yeah, and of course you can copy this, and every time you trigger the rename button, you can maybe something like that, and you can print it. Okay, that really depends on you. Okay, and list of rename button. The reason for put it inside the list is that the swipe action need to work. You have to be a list item, and I put it inside the list. And also I can out of frame that I can adjust that. Okay, so yeah, really simple one. And we just got a Z stack. This all the color background V stack, got the text field, text, and the list. Okay, inside the list, rename button. Okay, so tab, enter the focus state, tab, enter the focus state. Okay, this will also enter the focus state, right? This will also enter the focus state. Okay, enter focus state, swipe, enter the focus state. Okay, yeah, and of course if you click and hold, also enter focus state. Exit it, exit focus state, click, hold, click, enter the focus state. Right, really simple one. And if you want to download the code, you're more than welcome to join the Patreon. You can download all the code, and you can even use that in your projects. Do whatever you want commercially, or your own project. Doesn't really matter. Okay, thanks, bye.